Okay ba? Okay? Okay? Excuse me. May mo ka ba dyan? Dala? Okay. Huwag ka sasayahan natin.
Buenos días, cada una representantes España.
Thank you so much, Grade 3. Galing! Talagang energetic, pati palaban ang Grade 3 na ito. Galing! Talagang naturuan ng advisor na mabuti. Sa pagpa-jack. Magaling! Okay. Sir, any comment?
Sa grade 5 muna, kasi hindi ako nakapa-comment sa grade 5 eh. The start of the grade 5 performance was very good. Even the boys. Asa si Dean? Where's Dean? Si Dean pala magaling sumayaw. Ha? You know, alam niyo po, hindi na pa magkatakala, Magdal Academy pupils are very good in dancing. What we are looking are pupils who are very good in singing. You know, kami parang hindi kayo pinagpala ngayong taon. Pero now, we have teachers who are really good in singing. And I believe that they will be able to pass it on to their pupils. So one more to go. One more to go, of course, ang ating graduating pupils in the elementary department.
The next representation will be coming from the grade 6, representing China.